Hey guys, how y'all doing? Hope y'all having a good day wherever you are, whatever time it is. Man, I've been doing all this whole bunch of talking, everything, and it was not recording. Did all this, man. Did all this, and it was not recording. It wasn't recording. These are A plus setups on Ethereum. This is million and this is air. This is millionaire. And it wasn't recording. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue everything from scratch. We're gonna start all over. We're gonna delete all this. We're just gonna continue, alright? Okay, so we have our 15-minute here. We had our most recent breaker structure here. I believe it was here. We got our breaker structure here. I believe it was a breaker structure, was it? Yes, not. Alright, and we have our low here regardless. Alright. Okay. Man. Okay. All right. Let's just get this going. All right. So we got sell side liquidity there. We got a. Oh, it's here. I believe the high is. Oh no, we got our high here. Then we got our breaker structure here. That's our breaker structure. Then we got our new high here. Didn't break any structure. So this is still sell side, buy side liquidity to me. All right, so we did that on the 15 minutes. That's our structure so far. Yeah, it's yet to break structure. Okay, so we jump down to the 5-minute. We would look to here. I'll add a order block over here. We'll jump down to the 15-minute. My point of interest were here. This order block here, that gave that move up, and I had another one right here. All right. Oh, so this is what always confuses me. Hopefully, it doesn't confuse you guys. That you guys, try to get your edge and everything. Whenever the market catches, whenever you're making an order block, it has to be from the whole previous part of the market. Because, for example, this here is my trading range. This is where I take trades from. So my order blocks would have to come from the other side of this world. So all my order blocks would have to come from this side, right? So this is where I watch the market go down, and this is where I'm looking to see the market react from order blocks that I found on this side. So if I get the breaker structure here, I'm looking to see a reaction from something that the market made on its way from the low to this point. So from the low to the high, that's where I'm looking to get it from. I'm not looking to get it from here. And no, until the market breaks structure, this is what I'm looking at. All right. Close all that, close all that, close all that. So now I'm looking to see a mitigation from here. All right, there we go. We got the breaker structure officially from here. And yes, in this scenario, in this case, seeing that I had the breaker structure here, if this little tiny order block here matches my criteria, then yes, it is a valid order block. and it does because the sell candle is lower than the buy candle, so this order block is valid. Jump down to the 5 minute. If I see a break above here, then I'm looking for entries because it got tapped in. All right, let's see. On the 5 minute, you could see I even got the breaker structure from here. The market came back, retraced from the first order block here, got a little push up. It broke structure here, coming back to here. So I am entering this trade right here and now. 14 going for 15. I'm targeting I'm going for a 1 to 2, but this would be my runner. Ain't gonna lie, I feel like just ended this trade here, as it's technically one trade, but man, I've been here doing all this, three trades, so hey. Right, and we got another one right here. This would be my 1 to 2 trade. All right. One to two. All right, let's see. Okay, let's stop out. That's mad. Okay. This is still a valid order block that it tapped in here. First of all, I want to see where I went wrong there. I'll jump to the 15. We got the breaker structure on the 15. That's because, okay, so where I went wrong is, I said this and I wasn't even recording, but whenever you're trading and you're looking for points of interest, like I marked the breaker structures and for I'm doing top-down analysis. For me, what I did, and I looked at the 5 minute breaker structure, that was the wrong move. That was just the whole wrong move. I should have stuck to my, once I got the breaker structure on the 15 minute, I found the point of interest on my 15 minute, because technically this shows that I got the breaker structure here on the 15 minute time frame on this point of the market. So this is the part of the market where I got the breaker structure. Now this part, the 5 minute told me I got it here, the 50 minute told me I got it here. So which one am I working off of? As you could see, if I had followed my 5 minute, I probably would have gotten a little trade from here to here. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the 15 minute moves. And with the 15 minute breaker, if I'm working with the 15 minute moves, I got a 15 minute breaker structure on this side of the market. I'm looking for a 15 minute retracement on the 15 minute time frame, on the 15 minute side of the market, not the 5 minutes. So I don't work with 5 minute points of interest once I got a 15 minute breaker structure. So I can guarantee this is the final point. I'm not expecting any form of further retracement. Let me show you I could literally load up. Oh, it's back testing. I would load up an account and hop in the trade just to show you how confident I am and how sure I am that this would be the last point, or this is the actual point that I should have, looked at. And then I would have to jump down to the 5 minute, look to see where I would get the breaker structure. I consider my breaker structure here, to be honest, because I believe whenever the market just looks, I believe it's a more of an edge thing, but whenever the market looks just like this here is a tiny time frame consolidation whole ass market structure, right? So I do consider the breaker structure. I'll show you another one. Let me see. This also would be a breaker structure on a smaller time frame. The double highs, the what do they call it? It's not equal highs, but like it's almost equal highs. So right here, when I get the breaker structure here, I get the retracement here, just like clockwork. It's textbook, guys. It's textbook, man. I'm telling you. Can't wait to get that funded. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. They gonna know me. Hey hey. They gonna know me. Bro, I'm so sure of this trade. I could put this right here. I'm gonna put this right here. The market ain't going no lower than it right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, look at this. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man. This is a simple trade. Look at this. Bro, you could be a millionaire from here. This could change your life, my boy. This could change your life, my boy. Yeah, this is a 1 to 7. Look at this, will change your life, my boy. If I entered this trade, right? I had $100 in my account, and I entered this trade on Ethereum with a 0.02 lot size. I would walk away over it. I think I would walk away with like $800 or something like that. Because of how Ethereum works, it's a lot more expensive. But I will that this trade will change my life, and I'm pretty sure it will change your life too, right? But hey, that's it for this video. We got more coming in. I'm pretty far away from my 50 trades. You guys gotta lock in, man. You guys gotta lock in. Whoever it is that's here now, take this as a just like the other guy, the guy that did the Bitcoin thing. Remember when he told everyone about Bitcoin, and then a few years later, who was filthy rich? And, oh yeah, this me. This is Patterson right here. You gotta lock in right now, my guy. Lock in right now. Don't let the train leave you, because I'm gonna be going all the way. Ain't no stopping this right now. All right, you guys have a good day. See y'all in the next video. All right.